Okay, so we are going to do the new doggy fenced-in tour. These makeshift dog door. We got one of their favorite spots under there. Yeah, top girl. Underneath, we put some cedar chips, and it's all chicken wired in, so you know who can't get out. And a little daffodil that's under there that just on its own. Then an old garden gate. Reuse. Little chicken wires, can't get over there. Coming to the back. I can leave that close to keep him and her separated if need be. That's the fence there for now. It'll keep them in, but eventually we'll do more. Fence goes down. Right behind the trees. The little crafty area there. Gate over there. Here, I was going to put a gate, but that's just going to be chicken wired. And then over here, the last gate, which I'm still working on, but that gate will be there. Whoop.